I don't know, man. We're gonna have to kill so many enemies. Once era is over, I think this is very doable on this one, but like the era, oh god. This is so hell.
Okay, so now no melee, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Just making sure.
Well, you just spawned?
God, I'm mistyping.
They
Yeah,
are soaring already.
we got close door. There's 2 boxes on spawn though. Nothing on there.
The reload of that thing is actually quick.
Yeah, holy
Yeah,
shit.
that's kind of the
reload
point.
cancel. I still like Hellgun more though.
Yeah, that's also
Yeah,
kind of the
fucking
point.
I don't care if it's the point. I just notice it because it's a shit
no.
weapon.
One use
not
ammo in the
shit.
box, one use ammo.
Well, compared to the more like the meta weapons, it is shit, obviously.
No.
Can we go to alarm? It's 389.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Gonna be honest, I thought it was 390 again. Because why would we have luck?
I mean, I think it's bad, like considering they spawn closer, man.
Oh my god. Such a bad iron sight.
What is the scan?
Dude, the weapon is bigger than... I'm just gonna leave it at that. "31 people are watching this bullshit."
They're having fun then, I guess. More than we are.
Definitely.
But they don't headshot with it. It's not worth it on giants.
Imagine if that thing had pen.
I mean, Hellgun.
Yeah, it would literally just be
I
Hellgun.
know, but it would be more satisfying. Without the charger.
Don't shoot in here. We don't want to wake those giants.
I got a melee syringe, guys.
Oh,
Oops.
never mind.
Yo, that's so good.
Other giant is dead. It's in your corner.
Yup, got it.
Got 1 medi for you.
I found ammo and key.
Okay, this thing is actually so nice against smalls.
Yes.
Such good wave clear. But
Have you never
skill
played
issue.
Revolver?
I have, but skill issue.
He probably played it when he was like low frames.
Yeah, I did.
True.
It was fun, but it was
Oh,
still
it's staggered.
pain. To use ammo
Are
here.
you kidding me? Shooters have way too much health.
I mean, you 2-tapped him body, yeah.
Yeah, but apparently I didn't.
You
or
were
I-
out of range on first shot then maybe, but like a bit. Actually, never mind,
Yeah,
you don't
so-
2-tap. This is not Hellgun, I forgot, sorry.
The bad weapon.
Yeah, this is 14 damage.
It's
not
just
60.
it's just satisfying to shoot with, but that's it.
And satisfying to reload cancel.
I'm falling back a little.
Oh shit.
This is where I'm starting to run out of ammo. We need to go now.
I still have 1 use, but it's fine.
Anyone low? Sky move.
Done.
Sky move, sky move, sky move.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna shoot shooters. We can shoot them later on anyway.
Not true.
Box down. I still good HP, so I can hang.
That's cool.
Oh, there's a lot of enemies. And guns.
I'm out of ammo now.
Yeah, it's actually pretty cool to shoot with that thing. I might have ammo.
Team, somebody
Don't
needs
know
to
yet.
break this for me, I can't. Sky, 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 sky.
Fucking hell! Can you like die, please?
Don't shoot him from the
Holy
front,
shit,
move
I'm
behind
coming.
it. There's a thing I can't break.
But I'm gonna come give you an Eva. I'm going to give you one.
Stay still, stay still, stay still. I want to break
Ammo,
it.
ammo.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to do this.
To use.
Yep, I did not hear the first
Oh,
time.
that was... We just go. TB, can you pull? Nah, you're up there.
No, I'm packing
I'm running
box.
for the pull.
No. Oh my god.
We need to start this over, we just beat Dara again. think we have enough ammo for the alarm.
I found
Calling.
3 some.
Man, Sky getting
Please,
DMs
ammo.
again. I don't believe it.
I'm just, I don't know. Not lonely anymore.
Okay. Okay.
This is kind of shitty. I'm gonna step out so I can at least maybe shoot a bit.
Can you stop using the tool?
It's,
It
doesn't matter.
come. I was gonna say something, but then I failed. The sound is so satisfying. Yeah.
I like how no one is scan. No one.
I'm sorry, I was fucking meg dumping.
Dude, what the fuck? My mouse was trolling me. Just giving me 2 shots at, sometimes.
No, I will look from behind. I'm pushing spawns for now.
Oh my fucking god.
Wait, your
I'm
dead body
scanning.
actually pushes spawns?
Yeah.
First.
Did not know that.
Well, that's a bad thing now. I'm out of ammo.
I still have 5 use. Come here.
Sky with a fucking 5 used.
What do you mean you still have a 5 use? We are both on 25! Oh,
Well, then,
Reina's-
come here.
While I'm resing Eva. Kinda
I
need
now
him.
have I now have a 1 use.
Go, go,
Wait,
go,
was
go,
I
go.
given?
Go, 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 go.
No, I was given 2 uses.
Nom nom.
Excuse me.
I'm
didn't give
carrying-
me ammo.
You are. That thing was there.
You gave ammo to Eva. I can't believe this. Why?
I thought she was lower.
No,
No, I didn't mean that.
Reina
I didn't mean
said.
it. I didn't mean that. The fucking
I got him, I
striker
got him,
Eva
I got
couldn't
him.
hit for shit. Lick me.
Ja, bleib stehen. Nicht hier war. Genau.
Bleib nicht stehen, ich mach die Tür auf.
I'm gonna shoot Sky in a second.
Nee, why?
Please do.
Right, I'm gonna throw focus here.
Oh, yeah, I have everyone. Doesn't matter.
I threw.
Yeah, I know.
Screw
More
up.
deep so we can see once Smart maybe comes early.
How about
Oh.
dude, the neonate was fucking blocking me. Blocking my balls.
Wait, what do you mean the unit was blocking you?
I couldn't get. It gave me the prompt for picking up instead of giving tool, not tool.
Well,
Not giving tool.
once
Yeah,
Mama
giving
said
tool.
I need to go AFK for 10 minutes, I'm sorry. Something just came up.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Oh, that's so sad.
I can also just leave if you want. I don't care.
Just go into a corner or something where you can, like, not trigger Mom. In case we need to fall
No, no,
back.
once mom is dead.
I said
Oh.
I can kill Mom with you,
Oh, okay.
but after that I need to go.
Insane back multiplier.
Man, I can't hit that shooter for shit. I can't hit shooters for shit.
I can't hit shooters.
Dude, this is the aim practice right here. Okay, fuck you.
Yeah, I mean, I
Yeah,
hit my
that
shot,
better
not
setting.
gonna lie.
I hit mine too.
Fucking toxic.
I was about to med Eva, by the way.
Well, I'm glad you didn't.
Mom's very
Well,
close. There's
Sky
also
fucked
giants.
it.
Don't peek her, please. He's right below us. Where are the giants, man?
Guys, I ate on melee range.
It's a shooter, okay.
This feels like pubs all over again.
There's no giants?
Thank you. I guess not. I cannot even see where she's spawning.
We need more foggies, we can't see shit.
I have one more. Mama's on me.
Is on me?
That's a fucking joke.
What the fuck? Why was that kill so easy?
I can give it some ammo.
Thank you.
I gave TGB ammo.
Honestly, I think the Pimo is actually gonna be a threat now.
Yeah, the
for
baby
sure.
kills are gonna be. I mean, do we just cycle through Revolver anyway, like to do a lot of damage while we're.
I will be back in a bit.
Yeah. Welcome back, Reyna.
Also, Reyna, in your zone, there's still 2 ammo packs, apparently.
What? Wait, in the fog zone?
No, not in the fog zone, in the baby zone.
They might have been moved out.
That's possible.
I'm looking.
Oh wait, no, cause okay, never mind. The 2 ammos are in the charger zone, cause that's the next one.
Okay, Reyna,
I just
come
burnt
back.
my 1-use ammo.
Okay, where
Okay,
are you?
this is-
Okay, where are you? Yeah, wait a medi, right? Wait a medi, right? Wait a medi, right? Wait a medi, right? Huh? Huh? Huh?
What?
Somebody just kill Sky, please. Do.
What am I?
I'm
What did I
gonna
do wrong?
I'm gonna do that with my with the 1-use ammo I just wasted.
Whack me over the head.
But yeah,
No, I used it. That's the thing.
Top
TGB.
10. Yeah.
Can you stay there, like to spawn block? Right now, once you're in the next room, I'm gonna pull.
You can pull.
Wait. No, you
You're
can
pulling. Okay, run.
Run, boy, run.
What are those fucking mines?
TGB, what are you doing? Why are you closing that door now?
Isn't that the whole point?
No!
Yeah, the mines will blow up on the closed door. Trust.
I don't want them to be stacked up here. We can actually kill them this time with guns.
Oh yeah, you can kill.
I know
Sorry,
it makes
forgot.
a major difference.
Fuck
now.
no. Okay, today I learned that from over 50 meters range, Revolver does not kill shooters. Even to the head.
Ah!
Okay.
There's one on the other side. Let me in time. Ooh. What? He just got staggered out of nowhere. That was just bad shooting. I'm gonna get triple licked. I think they spawn on the other side.
That's good. This is the last one, right?
Yep.
Oh, never mind. They just took a while to spawn. They're breaking a door, team. Probably want to shoot them. Oh my god, why are they from
Where
right?
did that-
Split spawns.
That scared the shit out of me.
We tried to kill someone.
Dude, why is my mouse double clicking? What is this?
We have some ammo. Sky.
I have none.
Yeah.
Okay.
That ammo. Give everybody.
No.
Oh, you're
Except
not.
yourself.
You're not Reyna. What? You're not Eva.
Give me 2!
That is so fucked.
I
There
have
are
a
so many.
yeah, I have a charge on the left side I can kill when you guys tell me to.
Where's the scout though?
I'm just. Scott is dead.
Dead.
Killed one.
Oh.
I'm just gonna weaken this BBC on the right, I guess.
Just tell me.
Wait, not
Did we
yet,
wanna
not yet.
go for the BBC
Yeah.
together?
Wait, not
Eva,
yet, not
you-
yet.
Yeah, we know, not yet.
Okay,
If
I'm ready.
you say when, by the
No,
way.
you say when you're next to the BBC.
We're not next to
no.
it.
We are very far from it. That's why you say.
It's down
Okay.
right.
One.
We don't have back shots.
1, 2, 3.
I missed 2 shots.
Oh my god,
That
I'm
one
standing
BC is
there.
dead. Watch.
I
I'm
got
running.
fucking.
I'm running. That is
someone
scary.
lost it.
Ah!
Okay. Deviously through the glass.
It's a hybrid.
There's 3 hybrids.
No, there's one charger.
DGB up.
I got both hybrids on me, as usual.
Classic.
I'm completely out of ammo.
Fucking
Yeah, we
hell.
need ammo
4
here.
shots.
I'm gonna check fire zone real quick.
Hey, brother, what you thinking? Leave that on record spinning. You feel the rhythm going. Legs ain't got time to lay low. Your knees are bending, so it's time to get up and let go.
What is this? Since when has this been here?
Reyna, you
Did
are
we get a
right,
ping
just
on
not in
Scout?
that sense.
The one issue is we don't know if it's closer.
Yeah, can we pick Scout?
What do you mean? This is so free.
Yeah,
Yeah.
if
Yeah.
we sneak, you're correct. The ammo is right there.
Question is, what happens if we kill 2 BBCs instantly, run out, kill, run away, kill Scout Wave, and then fight the enemies?
With what ammo?
I mean, we should have enough ammo.
Long
Yeah,
kite,
for this. And what about after this?
Oh, we get a lot. We get a lot. What do you mean?
Yeah, we get a lot of ammo next time.
Yeah, I was mistaken it with tool.
Okay. So
Well, if the scout
I
doesn't come here in the next 2 cycles, I'm gonna fuck this BBC up.
do
Just
I
give
fuck
a
the
warning,
hybrid
and we run out, close the door, and then kill Scout Wave, okay?
No, I'm just gonna shoot immediately. No warnings. Sky style.
I really want to shoot. Just because of that.
Sky, can you focus on the charger behind that BBC here?
Sure.
We just sync up and shoot. I don't think it's coming.
Alright, fuck it.
Yeah,
Are we ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Let me out, let me out, let me out, let me out. Everyone out, everyone out, everyone out. We run to the Scout Wave.
Don't worry, guys. That was only 2% HP.
What the fuck?
They broke
Come
the
on,
door.
then.
Oh god, oh lord, they coming. Oh, there they are.
I'm fucking off.
Okay, one of them just ran through me, I guess.
Where's the way?
It split spawns.
Chargers are
They're
here.
coming. Oh god, I'm getting hybrided, please.
Scout wave is dead. But I'm 27% ammo. That's a lot of BBCs.
Whoa!
Hybrids.
A lot of hybrids.
Focus
Yeah,
on
that's what I
backshots
meant.
if you can.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Oh my fucking god.
I was hoping you would not shoot at that moment, and you shoot in the exact moment I ran through. That is insane.
That was so fun.
Okay, I have one more magazine team.
Yeah, I have 2 more, but you know.
He's ever so slightly dead.
Guy, how about your recipe?
One of
Yeah, I
them's
think
in
I
the
can
door,
now.
man. Oh, there's another hybrid.
There's another one.
Where did he come from?
100.
But why is it showing
guys.
0 followers right now? What happened? What?
Ow!
Nothing.
Wasn't even close to me. No,
Nah, you
I
were
hate-
inside of him. Don't.
no,
lie.
it was not for me. I was not for me. The first hit, yes, but the second hit, not.
Oh wait.
Okay, it's just
Oh
bugged.
my
I guess.
god. We leave those.
I'm
Nice
afraid.
one,
Wait, can you revive him? I've got one shot. It's worth it. Okay. He deserved it. Okay, team, we get like what 10 uses of ammo here.
Oh my fucking god.
Team, we need 1 bullet to open the locks.
Yeah, somebody open the lock.
I have 11 shots. Don't worry,
I
guys.
can't. Okay, what the fuck?
I like how he killed Sky 2 or 3 times, and once he killed someone. Sky, what the fuck? What's gone into your head, man?
Hi, Lurker, we're gonna be finished soon. Thank you. Hey, yo, 18
always
bullets, that's huge.
Guys, I need ammo.
bullets left.
Guys, I
I'm
think
so
we need to
good
do
at
the
ammo.
spawn pushing
Oh,
strategy.
that was...
Can you stop now?
No, honestly, Sky moved. Sky moved a millisecond before that, and I say you were behind him.
Please clip that. Please clip it.
I think we need to do the spawn pushing strategy.
Yeah, obviously.
No, Laptop doesn't need ammo, I don't know what you mean. Oh, it's a hack lock, we can actually open these.
Reina, please clip that. I wanna see that so badly.
No. Just because you asked, I won't.
Man, you're such a meanie head.
I'm not a mini head, fuck you.
He's such a cocker.
Yeah, I gotta diss you guys. Let's go.
I would like to use ammo on
Thank you.
someone- Sky.
Oh, Joe, what, fuck off. We're just gonna act like we pull, and then we don't pull. Big brain plays, you're never gonna know when it happens.
Bruh.
Shooting the one lock was not worth it.
I wanna give you fucking disinfection. It cancelled me on the lock like 15 times.
Okay, you wanna go again, TGB?
Yeah, I'll
Right now you
Yeah,
want
before
ammo?
that I would like some ammo.
Yeah, I actually was going to give you some.
No,
I don't think we can shoot the shooters though, we need to kill mom. It's max
Yeah, what
spawn
do we-
pushing. We double
do we
spawn push
really-
again. Double spawn push, we double spawn push.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
what
yeah,
about... Dude, no
wanna
shit, Sherlock. But... What are we gonna do after this gun is done?
Okay, we do the same we did
Ah.
with Sniper, and then we kill babies
Yeah,
after.
no. What about the shooters?
Oh, we killed them, obviously. But at the end. Just
Okay,
very
very
Do you think
slowly.
we have the ammo?
Yes.
We can go.
It's like 30
I don't think
shooters.
so.
We just take it very slow.
Honestly, the way we did it last time, it worked out well.
Pulling.
Go.
Move.
Now we go.
There we go.
Oh
That's
my
a
god,
fair spot.
mate.
Well, better now than
Yeah.
later.
1,
Do them quick. Do them quick.
3,
Quicker.
4, 5, 6, 7,
Reina, use the fucking med,
Eight.
please.
9,
Mm.
10. No, we need some for the babies. We need some for the babies.
Really?
That's what I'm saying.
We need to shoot a full P-Mom wave at least once.
Hey, we have
24 shots.
24 shots.
Also, we get
and
shots, we
6
get bullets
babies,
in P-Mom zone right now.
Yeah, that's correct.
yeah. How about we long
But-
Pima?
I mean, we don't have to kill Pimon to access that. Oh my god.
Oh shit, the scan went over here. I was like,
I'm running in a circle.
I'm trying to get some aggro and then peek.
I don't know how they didn't get hit.
I'm gonna stay here just so they don't walk up.
Oh my god.
Dude, the barrage of shooter projectiles.
Oh no, they're coming to us.
No! The artillery has arrived.
I've dodged enough shooters for 1 week.
Ah!
Sorry.
Okay, I'm gonna run.
I
Fuck
got it.
that. These are the scan team.
Ah!
Ow.
Oh my god, that is so many.
Help!
2%, 1%, 0.
Dude, we can slowly kill now.
Missed my first shot.
That's good. Good start.
Missed my second shot.
No, don't.
I'm almost dead.
Oh my god. In a good start. Now don't do it again.
Can you not
Das mal so
scream?
schön.
He's screaming!
Stark angefangen, stark nachgelassen.
Schwach angefangen, stark nachgelassen. Perfekt.
Oh my god, I'm
I'm,
dead.
I'm attempting to
Nein,
tank
komm
for you.
her.
Damn it.
Killed my first shooter.
With the fourth shot. Good
Yeah,
ammo
yeah,
efficiency.
Guy,
Hey
komm
yo,
her.
Scorch, how you doing? I think you can just run past them, don't you?
I guess, yeah.
Never mind, I don't know.
Let's just stairs here. I just hear all the fucking dude. I just hear all the impacts.
Guy, look at this, look at this, look at this. Wait, I'm streaming this. Wait, look at this gun stream. Sky, don't kill him, don't kill him, don't kill him.
Let me see.
Come up here. Sky, we go up. Go.
I wanna see the stream too.
Discord. Just the wrong one.
Ow!
Let me show
Tell me
this.
when he res
Will you
me.
show your perspective for this Reyna for a bit? We've been having fun. We're going to start this your podcast soon, Scorch, in like 5 minutes. Start killing. It's
Okay,
like
let's start killing. Yeah. Oh,
Trying
I'm
my best here.
stopping killing again. Now I'm 6 HP.
It just fucking. It's like one of those games where the bots are super bad, but they can always chip you.
Oh my fucking god.
Yeah, that was good.
Oh my god, that was glorious.
I think I missed only like 3 shots.
Okay, you know
Somehow.
the hard part starts now though.
Yeah. I'm scared.
I'm scared.
I only have 31 bullets left. Oh no.
I have 29. 20,
I
27,
just
sorry.
gave myself an ammo because it was low still. Okay, team. We do the same orders before Reyna. Please, Medi, everyone but Sky.
Hmm?
Okay, good. You didn't realize.
No, heal me too. Fuck you. What the
only-
fuck?
Okay, TGB,
No.
go. You
Oh my
go
God.
first.
I'm pulling for you.
Oh my god, it's gonna be so fucked. Go, Reyna. Go, Reyna. You need to go. Kill babies, kill babies.
I feel like somebody missed.
Okay, most babies dead.
There's one behind you, I can't
Yeah,
see
there's
it.
still a bunch. I'm dead.
I'm covering for
There's a
Sky
bunch behind
rest.
us.
I'm
No,
resing.
man, okay, I'm going for Pima.
I'm dealing damage to them all. Or trying to.
Guy, throw your foggies.
Good idea. Maybe I should.
I'm out of ammo!
Oh, I shot with.
I have no more ammo.
I shot 2 LPP shots, guys.
Look for the ammo here, look for the ammo here.
I'm on it.
She
Oh,
dead,
we
she
killed
dead.
her.
I
Median
have 4
ammo.
bullets.
I have 14.
I have none.
67 episodes of Gundam, holy shit. Yeah, there's Medi and ammo in here.
Where's the fucking... Ah, I found 2 boxes. I can't open this one, it's a shoot lock.
Oh, I can.
TGB, you have less ammo than me by like I have one full mag. You get this.
Let's go.
Oh no.
Well, this is gonna be good luck, guys.
You disappear into the
I don't
void.
wanna do this anymore.
Oh god, they're coming. Oh lord, they're coming.
I'm gone.
There's so many of them.
You and me, TGB, you and
There
me.
is still so many.
I'm getting lit.
Oh my
hard.
god, there's so many of them. Oh no, I got licked. Ow.
No.
Eva, why do you bring them here?
Both fun.
I'm out of ammo, TGB.
Let's go!
Oh, let's go.
No fucking way.
I still had a full fucking wave on me. What the fuck?
Yeah, it only
Still
took that long
insane.
because I was AFK.
Yeah.